Look
Oh
at
my
Rika.
god!
Rika's crazy for Reese's.
Yes, she is. You going?
Did she get one?
No.
Where's she going?
I'll show you what she did though so far, Sarah. She gave up.
Oh, she stood. She wanted attention. She wanted attention. Oh my gosh, she's so hyper right now.
No? Why? What? What were you gonna say?
Nothing.
What is it?
Nothing, I'm just thinking something.
What were you thinking of?
I wanted to get something, but
What is something?
something to eat.
Like?
Food.
Yeah, save it, get some tomorrow. Oh. Hi.
Let's see.
Come
Nope.
on, are you gonna continue in the bag?
She's camera shy.
Look at this. Here, don't eat the plastic.
I'll drag my ass out there in a little bit if I have to. It's
No, we can make you something.
Oh, I'm good.
No, it's okay. We'll make you something.
Sean!
Oh my gosh, she getting a foil? That is foil, dummy. You can't eat foil. No, you can't eat foil. She opened a foil. Fuck! Which one did you open? Which one did you open? Sarah, she tried to eat foil. I don't know if she ate a piece or not. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my god! No! Give me that foil! Get that foil from her.
She has foil. There's nothing there.
Oh. Hey!
Jump for it.
You can't have the whole thing, sweetie. You will choke. Come on. Come on, Rika. Damn it! No! Damn it!
What time is it?
What are you gonna do, huh?
What time is it?
She wants to go to her cage.
She can't have Reese's peanut butter cups, can she?
None of them can have anything anymore, remember?
I'm talking about. She can't. It would hurt her, right?
Rika has a Rika.
You gotta break it from her. She's gonna eat it. Try to eat it all.
What time is it?
8:38. Damn it!
I can't. She just keeps on running. Okay, there we go.
There you go. She got a piece. She can eat whatever she got. It's just chocolate. Damn. Toxie, you would choke on the chocolate.
Look at Rika.
Is she choking?
No, she's licking. She's like, nom, 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 nom.
You're so cute.